We cleaned your roomie. Come on out. Come on. You guys scared of the vacuum? Well, come on. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah, we got a nice clean room. Come on. Big stretch, Mr. Gray. Come on, you can come out. Come on, Pickle. Pickle. Come on, Pickle. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good job, Pickler. Oh, yeah. Pickle. My Pickle. Good jobby. Mr. Gray. He's like, all right, where's the food? Where's the foodie? Huh? Where's the foodie? Where's the foodie? Mr. Gray, you're a sweet boy. Mr. Gray, Mr. Gray, Mr. Gray, whee! You're a cutie patootie, you know that? Yeah, you're a good kitty boy.